here. But what we got here, we got some rockets here. Wanted to show them. They're called aerial assault. Is that pretty cool? And if you look here, they're from Flashing Fireworks. So I got these about a year or so ago, only about 15 bucks. And you know, BBQ Rando is a junkie for rockets. So let's check out here the performance. Comes with a 5-pack, foil covered, balls. And what does it say here? Effects of gold strobe willow, ring, red ring, yellow palm and white strobe, gold willow, red and crackle. So, hey, it looks pretty cool to me. I love anything with a lightning bolt, and I do love that there. Here's the back of it, so it just gives you a warning. Yeah, okay. All right, so off to the launch pad. Yeah. We got aerial assault rocket. We got the red foil. We got the aerial assault rocket, silver foil. Aerial assault rocket, green foil. Okay, we got aerial assault rocket, gold. Aerial assault rocket, purple foil.